Oh, yes, it is. It's a blue jay. Can you see him?
Not anymore.
Look at how those branches there look like a little web.
Yeah.
Trying to flatten them so you don't get scratched.
You're getting those silly bees,
Oh,
and they all.
there, that was a mosquito there. Turn around, let me see.
I can hear them buzzing around. It's gone, I think. Maybe it was a mosquito instead.
Yeah, I got the one on your head.
So those are around there.
They are.
Prickly things. When do they fruit? In spring? Summer?
In the summer. They've just gone past. Those look like the new ones. Those look like this year's. They could be black caps.
It's great to harvest them.
The wild ones are small. I have a lot in my yard.
Do you?
Yeah, they're here and there. The birds have deposited them.
Yeah. If you put a net around them, would you be able to get a lot?
More. That is a meadow hawk.
Hmm.
An orange or a, I forget the name, cherry meadow, no. Some kind of a meadow hawk butterfly, or dragonfly.